This cute little bag is the Vintage Coach Tango Flap, style number 9049. It's in the color black leather with nickel hardware, and it was made in Costa Rica in 1998. So this is a crossbody bag, and the strap is not adjustable. It's sewn directly onto the sides of the bag. It comes with a matching two-sided hang tag. So it says Coach on both sides of the hang tag. Here's the front. It does have a small turn lock closure. Here's a side view again, and then here's the back. It does have a slip pocket on the back of the bag, and then when we open it, I'll show you the inside. So here's the interior. It does have a small slip hanging pocket. So here's the little pocket. You can actually pull it out, so I can show you. It also has the Creed stamped there. I'll insert a close-up photo as well so you can see the Creed a little bit better. So that is the Tango Flap bag. It's a great option if you want something really small to maybe just carry a few essentials, and you want something crossbody, which should be pretty comfortable to wear, especially because it's small and probably won't be super heavy or anything on your shoulder. So the Tango Flap is a great option for that, and it is available now in our online store, so I will link it below in case you want to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you in our next video.